So hello everyone, I am Jeffrey Reyes. I am the co-founder and CEO of Tuala. So we are a technology startup, a local Filipino tech startup, and we are a digital trust company. That's what we call ourselves. So Tuala means Tiwala because we wanted to be the first digital trust company in the Philippines. So we are a digital identity provider, an electronic and digital signature platform, and a blockchain technology startup. We are a member of Kubo. It's an accelerator program of PTI and UST in partnership with the private sector. So we are a next generation e-signature platform for signing, verifying, and storing digital contracts and documents. No? So our technology is mix of blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, cloud technology, web and mobile technologies. So our core technology is the digital identity app. Like what Attorney JJ said earlier, a Bitcoin address could be your public key. So that's exactly what we did. Hindi lang kami Bitcoin. So ang ginamit namin ay Ethereum blockchain. So this digital identity stores your private keys for you to sign documents online. No? And how do we do that? Like what Attorney JJ discussed earlier, we calculate the hash of the documents, and once we have the hash of the document, signers will sign it using their mobile phones with their digital ID. The digital ID contains the private signing keys of all the signatories, and it will encrypt the data and store it in the blockchain. So how do we verify the authenticity of the document? So you have your documents here, we recalculate the hash, we upload it to Tuala or to a CLI, then we compare the hashes of the documents. If it matches any entries on the blockchain ledgers, we will show if it's blockchain verified and all the details of the document. So it includes the hash of the documents, the owner of the documents, and the signatories and their digital IDs, including their IP address. Apart from that, we attach to the document a digital audit trail. So all the details of the signatories and all the transactions that happened on that documents. Same with DocuSign and Adobe Sign. So we use information security management system to protect all the integrity of the system. So it's a mixture of many technologies. And are we legal? So Attorney JJ discussed that ago. So these are all the legal framework that says that we are legal. So we support all types of electronic signature, secure electronic signature, electronic authority signature, and of course, digital signatures. And you can apply us to all the verticals and industries. And we have satisfied the requirements of the E-Commerce Act on Section 8, like what Attorney JJ discussed earlier. And also we satisfy the digital signature requirements. So what's the difference between Tuala and other signatures? So Tuala is a platform plus digital signature. So PNPKI is a digital signature provider, could be called a certificate authority. And other platforms like DocuSign and Adobe Sign are also platforms. So Tuala is a combination of PNPKI and DocuSign. So we produce digital signature, plus we have the platform to use it, to sign it. And that's it. I'm going to show a very short video, a 1-minute video on how it is done. So we have a digital identity, and we verify the identity using our eKYC services. It's the same that you use in applying for a digital bank, like Union Bank. So you upload your passport, you take a selfie. We have an artificial intelligence that will match your ID to your selfie. Then once you have that, you log into the site, scan the QR code, then you upload a document that you want to sign. And you put all the signatories. This time it's just only me that will sign the document. So you prepare the document, you put there where you want to sign, and you save it. Then you sign it. It's very much like DocuSign and HelloSign or Adobe Sign. So you sign it. You can upload your signature, you can draw it, and then you submit. And then you will receive notification on your mobile phone, your digital ID. And when it's done, there, you have a completed document. You can download the document and you can check the document. And we attach the digital audit trail, and there's a QR code attached to it as well. If you want to verify your document, you can just upload the document and click attest, and it will show you the details that I showed you earlier. So that's basically what Twala is. Back to you, Attorney Jane.